So I had a client, or a potential client, call me the other day who had gotten injured as a result of a slip and fall. And they asked me, what are the common mistakes that are made early after a slip and fall and injuries occur in those type of cases? And what I told him was, one of the biggest things that we see with these slip and fall cases is when someone has fallen and hasn't notified the manager of the store, if it was a landlord, and there wasn't an incident report taken, and you didn't give notice to that owner or manager that there was something there on the floor, on the ceiling that caused your injury. The second biggest thing was that they didn't go and seek medical treatment as a result of their injuries. They went home, took a couple days off, hoping that they would get better, took some Advil. They didn't get better, but then they let 5, 6, 7 days lapse, and then they sought medical treatment. That lapse of going to the doctor after being injured gives a gap of time that the other side likes to negotiate and say, well, obviously your client's not injured, because if they were really significantly injured, they would have gone and sought medical treatment. It's something we can overcome, but it makes for a much more difficult case. Another big thing that we see is once you get medical treatment, that you fail to comply with what your doctor has told you to do. Hypothetically, that you have to go get physical therapy 3 times a week, and then you no-show. Once again, the other side is going to negotiate and say, obviously your client's not injured, otherwise they would have done what the doctor told them to do. Another thing that we see as a mistake is not seeking the right type of an attorney. It's seeking a trial attorney, a trial law firm like we are here at Edwards and Ragatz, where you're seeking an attorney that takes your case and works it from start to finish, from the time that you sign up to, hypothetically, when you have to go to trial. You have the same attorney the entire time, and they are able to more effectively advocate for you because they've created a relationship which you don't see in other forms.